Hi, I'm Matt. Welcome to SoiLab. This is where I get to share my passions for plant and soil science as well as education. If you'd like to learn more about my background, check out my bio and LinkedIn profile in the description below. So what should you expect from SoiLab? SoiLab is a DIY-focused channel where we use our soil testing lab to get data that helps address the questions that you have about your lawn, garden, ornamentals, or other growing spaces. Having access to a full production lab gives us a really unique opportunity to run large numbers of soil tests to evaluate complex soil science concepts. This channel will allow you to grow your knowledge of plant and soil science while driving decisions to help you fertilize and amend your soil responsibly, all while increasing soil health. We strive to make this information easily understandable, informative, and occasionally maybe even a bit entertaining. Follow along to see field and lab demonstrations, trials, and even some replicated experiments that scientifically back the decision-making process for your lawn, garden, and landscape. We're always looking to create content to help you out, so please comment below what you'd like to see in future videos and we'll add it to our queue. As always, thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and hit that bell button to receive notifications when we post new content that helps you know before you grow. Again, I'm Matt, and welcome to SoiLab.